As we begin our next lecture, which is Lecture 2, we're going to be discussing how to map it out, or to plan your workouts. Whenever you go on a road trip or vacation, especially if you've never traveled there before, it's important to know where you are going. We use maps, GPS, and sometimes stop for directions to ensure that we don't get lost and we don't waste time. We are going to learn how to go from point A, which is where you are now, to point B, which is where you want to be. First, understand the concept that if you want to properly exercise a muscle group and see results, you must let that muscle group rest and recover. When you exercise, you are breaking muscle fibers down. If you do not allow recovery through time and protein replacement, those muscle fibers will continually be in a state of exhaustion and fatigue. However, on the other side of this, if you recover too much and only exercise, say, triceps, once every 3 weeks, you most likely will not see the results you want to see. So timing is crucial and recovery is vital. Secondly, body weight exercises typically provide a level of aerobic fitness that weightlifting typically lacks. If you are looking to burn fat, increase your cardiovascular capacity, and tone muscle, this is a great way to go. Lastly, you've got to eat right. I could go into great depth of why it is so important to eat good, clean, nutritious food, but that would take away from our objectives. Briefly, however, understand that all nutrients play a role. Fats, carbohydrates, and proteins are important for maintaining a healthy body. Cutting carbs out is a big mistake. A better option is to cut down on specific carbs. It's also important to understand the difference between simple and complex carbohydrates. Protein is mainly for rebuilding and growth. Fats provide the body with energy, especially in aerobic settings, as well as regulation of body temperature and protection of nerve endings. Eat clean foods, not processed or fast food. It may cost more, but in the end, your body will greatly appreciate it. You have a window of about 45 minutes after your workout to consume a good quality protein mix to help your muscles in your body rebuild and recover. Typically 20 to 30 grams of protein is plenty in this case.